Hi, welcome back. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to use the landing pages. BrainCert comes with a site builder 2.0 tool that you can use to easily create a landing page or a content page, such as privacy policy, terms of use, about us, and so on. The content pages are dynamic. You can create any type of page and they can easily work with any of the landing pages that we have in the platform. To start with, log into your LMS platform, click on Sales and Marketing, expand website, and click on Landing Pages. To create a new landing page, click on Create New Landing Page button here. It will open a new view where you can see all the templates that comes with the platform. So you can pick and choose a template that better suit your website, which is your default landing page, or it could be a sales conversion page or a page where you want the visitors to share their information in forms, which can be used for creating funnels, or it could be something like a marketing page about your product or service. So we provide unlimited landing pages. Only one can be tied as a default homepage for the LMS platform. All the other landing pages that you created could be specific to sales and marketing or for general purposes. To start with, pick a template that better suit your business branding. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose this template, language learning template. Click on Start Building. It starts our site builder 2.0 tool. You can give any name. Here I'm going to choose new page. And this is the site builder tool that you can use to easily create any type of landing page or content page to create a complete website. It comes with a lot of the blocks on the left. For example, you can see a collapse and see all the blocks that BrainCert currently supports. You can expand any block, drag and drop to create a custom page. You can even start with a blank template and then go through the steps to create a custom landing page. So here in this template, I can simply click on the image and then click on set image, upload a new image to change the image, or double click the text and easily change the text. And I can also have options here to change the text color, font size, the type of font. All those things can be easily customized. Same thing with the buttons. You can click on the button and then it'll give you a lot of the options here. You can choose one of the option. Like success is usually associated with green color. It automatically changes the color. Or if you're an advanced user, you can also click on the code level and then change the color of the text or the specific content. Those things can be changed. For example, this block, I simply click on code and then I can change the text in this format, or I can double click and then edit it online. There are different ways you can do that. And for the block itself, I can select the entire block, click on the code editor, so which is specific to the block only. So here you can see the header tag, the paragraph, the button styles. Here you can edit the text, or if an advanced user, let's say I want to add a custom style like style equal to, and then add my own custom style here. So it comes with a lot of these features. So it's designed in a way, even if you're a beginner to an advanced user who works with IDEs, like we support a built-in code editor. So you can click on the code editor and then you can see the entire code. We highly recommend copying the code into your text file and then save it in your local computer. In that way, if you happen to mess it up, you can always restore that from a backup. Simply copy, just delete everything, paste it here, and then click anywhere outside, and your old code will get populated here. So I'm going to close the code editor. Anytime you do some type of mistake, there is undo and redo button. So here I can do undo and redo the text from change from maximize to grow, or I can also redo. The same applies to all the blocks. So whenever you move your mouse, you can see the specific block is getting highlighted. Let's say here below, I want to add a new block. So I'm going to click on it. You can either pick the block from here. You can drag and drop like this, or you can pick from here. If you want to see all the blocks BrainCert offers, we have a search feature, or you can collapse all, look for a specific topic. Let's say I want to do a call to action. So I'm going to insert this call to action here. So I'm going to simply click on it. So you can see I have the specific block populated here. Now I can go here, edit the text or the button, the links in the button, change the font family. Let's say I want a different font. I can change to a different font family. Let's select all. Let's change it to something different. The font size, colors, all those things can be changed. And then if you're an advanced user, you can see it's a header 3. You can change it to header 2 if you want to for SEO purposes, because the order matters in the SEO, starting from header 1, header 2, header 3. That's how Google finds like which carries like more weightage and what type of keywords. The more number of keywords you have for a specific word, that also carries more weightage when Google indexes your default landing page. Here in the style, you can, let's say I want to add top margin or bottom margin or display float, opacity, or the size, margin or padding, borders. It's very self-explanatory. So you can easily click and learn to do all the text changes or image editing or adding a new block. This comes by practice. When you do 2-3 times, and then you become a master of BrainCert Site Builder. So don't get intimidated by a lot of the features and options that BrainCert offer. It's slightly overwhelming for new users. Once you get a hang of it, it's super easy to use, and you'll appreciate that time, the features that we created. All right, so let's go back here. This is the blocks, and then we have the specific components. If you want to drop a form or a header or image or a link, let's say you want to create a new tab or gallery. This is like creating your own custom design, like not blocks. Blocks makes your life easier. You can directly drag and drop and customize, and then you're done with it. But when you go to the component mode, you have to do everything from scratch. This is slightly for advanced users who want to create their own HTML component. They can use this type of feature. It's very easy to use. You can drag and drop and customize. Similarly, this is like a global variable. So if you want a specific font family or colors that you want to keep for the entire template, you can set it here. Same for CSS, any global CSS, you can customize and edit it here. Anytime you want to preview your page, you simply click on preview. And then click on the preview icon again to come out of it. You can have the left toggle column, or you want to move some of the items to the right column. We also support dot mode. You can click on this icon to switch to dot mode. Once you're happy with everything, you can save the page. So here you can see different type of icons like mobile view, tablet view, and desktop view. You can switch between these to see how your web page is going to look like. And anytime you can also reduce the percentage width or set it to 100% if you want like a full width when you're doing the editing. Once you're happy with everything, simply click on Save Page, and then you can see that the page saved successfully. Always remember to save your page. If you don't save and exit the page, all the work that you put in is not going to be saved. So we highly recommend that anytime you make changes, click on the Save page and save all the updates that you have done. So overall, it's super easy to use. Let's say icons, when you click on it, you can see different type of icons it support. You can select your own icon and change the link. Anytime you want to, let's say I want to hyperlink this one, I can click on master and click on hyperlink, and then you can put in a URL, your target URL, and then click somewhere outside and it will get saved. Similarly, for any type of icons and font that you do, it comes with all the features built into the platform. You can easily, let's say I want to change this icon. You can see it's a font icon. It uses a font awesome library. So if you want to change it to something else, let's say if I change it to something else here. Anytime you want to duplicate a block, for example, I want to duplicate this specific section, I can click on it and then I click on clone. And then you can see that this gets duplicated. So if I don't want this block, simply click on the block, click on the delete icon. Or I want to move the block up. So you can use these options. Or I want to bring it down again. It's very easy to use. Similarly, you can customize the footer, change the links, and then if you want to duplicate a link, you can duplicate, or if you don't want, you can delete the specific text. Or if you don't want this block at all, you can select a block and delete the block. So there are so many ways you can quickly duplicate and create the text and content, change the image, use the built-in blocks to quickly drag and drop. Let's say I want to drop a block here. You can see it's super easy. I just drag and drop. All I had to do is keep the same image or change the image, edit all the text and save, and you're good to go. So that's the overview of the BrainCert Site Builder 2.0 tool. Hope this tutorial is very useful in understanding how the Site Builder tool works in creating your landing pages. Now I'm going to exit this tool and then come out. I'm going to go to content pages. So think of content pages as inner pages within your website, such as like the contact us, about us, terms of use, and so on. You can create your own contact page. Let's say I'm going to call this services. I'm going to put something here. Keyword services, BrainCert. Anytime you put a comma, it just saves that information. You can create a basic page using the HTML editor. So here you can put like any type of content or what type of services you offer, or you're a more advanced user, you can select this option and then click here. Now you are in the Site Builder tool. So you can simply drag and drop and then create your own service page, content, a specific blog, and then you need the page, the content, the default content that doesn't apply to you. Let's say I'm going to delete this one quickly. And then now you have a specific page here. So now I can save this page. So the way it works is you can link this specific page that you created as in the top menu item or in the footer link in your landing page that you created. In that way, when someone is visiting your landing page, when they click on like services or about us, it brings up this page. This content will be automatically plugged into your landing page, preserving the header and footer. So all the top menu links and the footer is going to be the same in the landing page that you are calling this specific content page. In that way, this content page can be reusable in multiple landing pages. So you can have so many landing page with the different types of design or different purpose, like a sales page or a default landing page for your LMS platform or a marketing page. So you can have all this type of page and then simply go there. Let's say I'm going to go edit this page and then I'm going to quickly, let's say I want to click here and then change the link to the content page that you created. You can get the link where you have created, maintaining all the pages. So and then simply change the link here. So the same applies to any link within the page, or let's say in the footer, like about us, our story, and so on. When you do that, and then someone is like previewing the link and click on it, that's going to automatically appear here. Hope this is a useful tutorial and you understand how to use the Site Builder tool to create both landing page and content page. Thanks for watching.